A delicious and easy form of protein is a scrambled egg. Let's get ready. You need a fork or whisk if you have it, a bowl, a pan, and nonstick spray or butter. The ingredients you will need today are an egg. You can use more than one depending on how hungry you are, salt and pepper, or milk, but that's optional. First, crack your egg over the rim of the bowl and carefully open it into the bowl. Always wash your hands after handling eggs, as a bacteria called salmonella lives on the outside of the eggs. You don't want to touch other things and cross contaminate if you have an egg on your hands. Then, add a pinch of salt and pepper, and if you are using the optional milk, add a tablespoon or less. Taking the fork or whisk up the egg mixture until well blended. This should be about 20 or 30 seconds, should do it. Place on the stove. My stove is gas, but yours may be electric. If you have a gas stove, make sure it ignites. Turn the knob to medium and let the pan warm up. Remember, never leave the stove unattended. Now, I need nonstick spray to spray the pan to prevent the egg from sticking to the pan, or you could use butter. Okay, the pan is warm and sprayed. Time to pour in the egg mixture. Let the egg mixture start to cook, maybe about 30 to 60 seconds, and then start to stir it around. It will start to become soft lumps as it cooks, and it does cook pretty quickly. Once the egg mixture is no longer runny or liquid, the scrambled egg is ready. This is very important. Remember to switch off the stove. Turn the knob to off. Then grab your plate and slide the egg onto the plate. Eggs are delicious by themselves or on toast. Remember to always clean up and wash your dishes and put them away. Enjoy!